that is calm. The water is calm today. This area, Ramside, is one of my favourite places just to go for a short jaunt in the bike. And today the weather was kind, which has not been the usual case in South Cumbria for some time. So it just had to be done, I guess. I was lucky enough to see some people at the top there doing a bit of fishing and bringing their ill-gotten gains back up to the top. Nice to see, and not always captured as much as you might think in that particular area. After that, it was just a quick jaunt 5087 or our coast road through Ulverston and back to Barrow. Lovely day, just wish we could have a little bit more of this kind of weather. The lady at this point was just telling everybody that she'd actually caught more fish than her husband. Well done. Well, there you go. Somebody's got some fish. Sunny day brings everybody out to the pubs, and quite right too. Nice view of the Pint. And as I said before, A5087 or Coast Road to us, through to Ulverston and then back again. I'll keep some of the footage on, but I know you've seen it before if you've ever watched the channel. But it never ceases to amaze me how beautiful that road is. Right next to the water,
Glorious
right
day.
next door to the fields.
Absolutely glorious day.
I really like it.
The water's really calm, which is nice. And just to get the cobwebs off me and the bike, I might as well take the coast road round to Ulverston and back, because I can.
If you've got this far in watching us, thanks very much. If you could just maybe subscribe to us, that would really help, or even just give us a like. Again, thanks for watching.